What's up, Team Views? This is your boy Hollywood, man. Yeah, I thought I'd just pick up the camera and vlog today. I was gonna vlog on the as you can see, I was gonna vlog on the big camera right there. But I mean, the angle was just off a little bit, and since but yeah, look, I got a whoa, bro, this camera is like clear. Yeah, I got an AirPod case cleaner. Finna clean my Kobe AirPod case. Yes, sir. You see that? Whoa, dang, I dropped it. Hold on. You see that? You see that? Ay, look at that. I'm like, dirty. Yeah, they can't clean them. But yeah, how everybody been doing out there? Yeah, I've been good. Been dealing with my mom a little bit because my mom and my dad's anniversary was 2 days ago. So I had to deal with that. I'm pushing through it. I mean, everybody has their days where they gotta grieve a little bit, and that was mine. So just thought I'd share that with y'all and just let y'all know I'm doing okay. Team views, we still in effect. I'm gonna continue to drop some more videos, but we gonna get there. I'm gonna get to 1 million subscribers one day. My mom is up in heaven watching over me. Yo, my hair is sticking up. Sorry. But no, I just wanted the vlog. Look, I'm gonna clean. So yeah, I'm finna clean these AirPods. So I'll catch you when I doing something else. Look, you seen it before. Look, it's still dirty a little bit. Dang, this autofocus is cool. So it's dirty a little bit. Got the cloth cleaner, bro. And then you got the to clean the insides and the little ear cleaner pick. You got a cloth right here. Oh, that's what these toothpicks are for. They're to clean the see, as you can see if it focuses. Yeah, you see it? Yeah, I gotta clean the inside of that. And then that's what these are for too. They're to clean the AirPods and stuff. Just found out what that's for. This little like thing, it looked like gum or whatever. I just found out what this is for. This whole pack right here. You're basically supposed to put it in there to get it out. I use one of the toothpicks to kind of scrape it out a little bit, but I'm gonna use the little gooey thing. Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to like clean it. That's cool. This is my first time buying this kit because I gotta keep my AirPods clean. I gotta keep the old Kobe AirPod case. I'm just saying. Yeah, I'm gonna clean these. I'm finna use this and actually clean the actual AirPod case itself. Yeah, now you can see now I'm finna clean that part. You use this and just, yeah. Hey, look, tweezers. Yeah, that's for like this, the AirPods. It looks like I done got everything. Literally. I didn't even know they had tweezers in here, dog. Also, I think this is for this too. To be honest. And you know what I need? So what y'all doing, bro? I've been good. This is just a little vlog. I like to. Sometimes I gotta. That's why I said I got an iPhone. I like to just pick up the camera. Now we gotta clean the inside of these AirPods. Yeah, but life is good out here. I'm just trying to make it off this YouTube thing. I keep my day job just so I get a little extra money coming in and stuff like that. Oh, see, nah, the lid then came off. But nah, I'm gonna catch you when I get done. Look at that. Look at that. Look how clean the mug is. Man, got everything. And the AirPod case really worked. Yeah, this is like the stick in these. But nah, on. I'm gonna look good. Yes, sir. Well worth the money. Alright, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And this has been your boy Hollywood Sam. I'll catch you later.